Layla's lemonade stand. Fresh lemons, sunny skies, and big dreams to share. Layla's opening her very first lemonade stand. Let's sip, smile, and cheer her on. Layla's lemonade stand. Layla loved lemons, their bright, sunny glow. So she set up a stand with a sign that said, "Go." She squeezed and she stirred. She added some ice. Her lemonade stand looked pretty darn nice. Friends came from all over. Some ran, some bite. They sipped and they smiled and shouted, "We liked!" Layla beamed proudly from under her hat with lemons around her and a giggling cat. The moral of the story is, big dreams start small, and smiles are the best payment. The end. Thanks for listening. Layla's special tree named Lucy the lemon tree. In her backyard stood a tree, not so tall, but to Layla, it was the grandest of all. It bloomed with lemons, so sunny and round, that rolled like gold balls when they hit the ground. She watered it, sang to it, gave it a name. Lucy the lemon tree earned her fame. Neighbors would smile and come to take a peek at the girl with the tree that was one of a kind unique. The end. The moral of this story is, care and love can grow the brightest things. The end. Thanks for listening. Layla at the Lemon Festival. It was time for the festival. Oh, what a sight! Yellow balloons floated high in the light. Layla wore lemon sunglasses, lemony shoes. Even her dog wore bright lemony blues. She raced in the lemon rolling race. With a squeal, then juggled 3 lemons and spun a cartwheel. At sunset, she waved a big yellow flag, dreaming of lemons packed up in her bag. Moral of the story: celebrate what you love. And life's a festival too. The end. Thanks for listening. Layla's lemon cupcake surprise. Ready, set, bake. Layla's cooking up lemony cupcakes with lots of giggles and a little bit of mess. Let's jump into the kitchen fun. Layla's lemon cupcake surprise. One rainy day, Layla said, "Let's bake a treat. Something that's tangy, delicious, and sweet." She mixed up some batter. Lemons galore. It splattered and splashed on the walls and the floor. Our popped cupcakes, so fluffy and bright, with lemony frosting piled up in white. Layla laughed as she licked the last bowl. "Next time," she said, "I'll bake lemon rolls." Moral of the story: messy kitchens make the sweetest memories. The end. Thanks for listening.
Thanks for learning, thanks for fun. With Jen, our journey's just begun. Phonics, stories, grammar too. 1, 2, Tutorme's here for you. Laughed, we learned, we had a blast. Building skills that will surely last. So keep on reading, writing more. Adventures waiting, let's explore. Click subscribe, don't miss a beat. With Jen. Learning is a treat. See you next time, friends so true. 122 Tormy says thank you.